In this video, we want to look at one more small question, oxidase test. What is oxidase test? Whatever few isolate colonies we have with the help of oxidase test. By using oxidase test, we isolate pure colonies. Then types of oxidase test, it have filter paper method, direct plate method, swab method, implicator oxidase test and test tube method. It have 5 different types: filter paper, direct plate method, swab, implicated and test tube method. Then methods. Stick straight line with filter paper. This filter paper already implicated with dye known as paraphenyl diamine dihydrochloride. The dye name is paraphenyl diamine dihydrochloride. Now these stick with coat bacteria. Filter paper stick with bacteria. The bacteria has cytochrome oxidation system. Then what will happen? These bacteria have cytochrome oxidation system. So what will happen? This bacteria give the electrons. This dye will accept this electron. Here bacteria act as electron donor, dye act as electron acceptor. So due to this reaction, a component is formed. That component name is called as iodo-phenyl blue. This component is blue in color. Within 10 seconds, we observed a color change, colorless to blue color. Indicate our test is positive, oxidase positive. Remain colorless, indicate oxidase negative. Here what will happen? This bacteria will give electron. This dye will accept that electron. Bacteria act as electron donor, dye act as electron acceptor. Due to this reaction, a new component is formed. That component name is called as iodo-phenyl blue. This component is blue in color. So within 10 seconds, we observed blue color, indicate positive result, colorless indicate negative result. Then example of oxidase negative bacteria. It comes all Enterobacteriaceae group. Example E. coli, Klebsiella and Proteus. Then oxidase positive Pseudomonas vibrio Neisseria. These are important bacteria gives oxidase positive. So why we are using this oxidase test? Used to determine whether a bacterium produce certain cytochrome C oxidase or not. So in this video we discussed the oxidase test. This test mainly used to isolate pure colonies. It have 5 different method: filter paper, direct plate method, swab method, implicated and test tube method. Methodology: stick straight line with the help of filter paper. Then this filter paper already implicated with the dye. That dye name is called as paraphenyl diamine dichloride. Then now we stick with the bacterium. Bacteria has cytochrome oxidative system. Bacteria act as electron donor, dye act as electron acceptor. Now new component is formed. That component name is called as iodo-phenyl blue. This one is blue in color. So positive means color change within a 10 seconds will occur. Positive organism, example Pseudomonas vibrio Neisseria. Negative example E. coli, Klebsiella and Proteus. This is about oxidase test. Thanks for watching.